Hey everyone, need to transfer money from Ace SBC to Alipay? Here's a step-by-step guide. Start by opening the Ace SBC app on your phone and log into your account. From the home screen, go to the payment section and select transfer. Choose international transfer if you are sending money to Alipay in China. Now, you will need to add your Alipay account as a recipient. Enter the Alipay account details, including the recipient's name and Alipay account number. Enter the amount you wish to send, select the currency and check the fees and exchange rate. Double check, double check everything, then confirm the transfer. Ace SBC will process the payment and send the funds to your Alipay account. Once complete, you will see the funds in your Alipay account within a few hours or days. Depending on the transfer method, it's that simple.